Okay, so Miss Brown's question was, have you done an attendance check in assignment yet? And if so, how do you create the check and can you share with me what that looks like? So I was just going to send a quick video to show you step by step how to make your first day's attendance check. So when you're on your team site, you're going to click your classroom and it's going to bring you to your posts and all that good stuff. From posts, scroll all the way over here to assignments and click it. Now, if you haven't assigned anything, obviously this is not going to show up for you. And I just noticed here, you can keep a tab really easily on who has done it so far. So anyway, when you're going to create it, you're going to press the create button and it's going to be a quiz. Now, once you have forms, you're going to have some options here, but let's pretend like these are not here and this is your first time. You're going to click new form. And if you remember from the webinar, they talked about a quiz has a right or wrong answer, whereas a new form is more of an opinion kind of thing. For attendance, you're going to want to do the form to keep track. So let's do an add new. And you have the choice of making it a choice, a text, where they respond with text, they give you a rating or a date. For now, I would say everybody would do good to just stick with the choice to make it easy for everybody. The first thing is to change the title. You want to have like day 1 attendance, day 2 attendance, whatever day you're on. And this is going to be important later whenever you're trying to go in and add it. So make sure your title makes sense. And then for the description, you can say something as simple as like, please complete to show you are present, or whatever you want to say to your class. So the question should just be whatever you want. It could be are you excited for this new digital learning style? Or, whatever. If you have upper grades or lower grades, you might want to modify it to, whatever you want. And then your option 1, yes, option 2, no. The other important thing is once you have your form filled out, you want to make sure that you click this button required. So that way the students have to respond. And the part that's kind of confusing for me here is that they automatically save it. So there's no button to save anything. You just have to know that it's saved. Once you're done here, you go back to your forms. Click back to the create. And then this time you're going to do it from existing. So, oh, nope, I'm wrong. You're going to go back to create. You're going to do the quiz again. But this time, instead of clicking the new form, you're going to have it here. So you click the form that you just created and press next. And then it's going to have all of this information here that you can fill out. You can make the due date for whenever you want it to be due. You can make the date, select which students, which you want it to be all of them. And then when you're done, you have the option of discarding it, saving it, or what we're going to do today is assign it. If you accidentally assign this, like I don't want this to be on here right now because we're still on day 1, you can go in and click it and edit assignment and delete it. And it won't delete it from the form, so if you want to use it later, it's available later for you. So that should pretty much explain it. If you have any questions, you can just shoot me an email or a text.